Good morning, students. Welcome to online political science class. Today we are beginning with a new chapter, that is chapter 9, globalization. Okay, so this chapter deals with a global process. The whole world is interconnected with a global process. Okay, today we are living in the age of globalization. So what is globalization? Okay, globalization is that it signifies interlinking of the world through free movements of capital, goods, technology, ideas and people across the globe. When we interlink with other countries of the world, when we interlink with the people of other countries of the world, when we interlink our economy with the economy of other country, when we go and take the information from other countries, okay, through internet system via different process, this is called globalization. So today we are living in the area of globalization, in the era of globalization. The whole world is a concept that linked with a global village, okay, because no country is isolated today. All countries have been linked with one country with the other country because of economic process, because of social process, because of political process, because of cultural process, etc., etc. So it has it has economic, social, political, cultural dimensions. Different area it covers up, because today suppose we don't have petroleum in our country, okay, much petroleum, so we have to depend on the other country for petroleum. So we take petroleum from Middle East countries, so automatically we are friendly with the Middle East countries, because we have to take petrol from those countries to go through our process of vehicle system and all these things. Okay, in this way, again, in political spheres also, suppose no government can become isolated, because today the whole world has to become friendly with the other country. Okay, one country has to become friendly with the other country. So in political process also, the governmental system is like that it works cooperatively with one country with the other country. See, like suppose we have already done environment, okay, environmental natural resources. There I have told you that when an environmental problem is being created in the whole world, global warming, ozone layer problem and all these things, no country is that suffering from, we cannot say that no country is suffering from environmental process. So the whenever an environmental problem is being created, is going on actually, so that time the whole world is become conscious, and they have attended conference, a summit, and they have discussed, they sat down together, they discuss to bring out the solution of this environmental problem. So this way we are interconnected from the whole world, okay, one country with another country, for any process, any reason, they are interconnected. So this is globalization. The whole world is interlinked for various purposes. This is the meaning of globalization. Okay, so we can say that today we are living in the era of globalization. Okay, so we are very much interconnected, not interdependence, but some way we are dependent on the other country also for some our needs and for our needs and for friendly relation also. Okay, so this is globalization. Now see the characteristics. Number one, integration of national economy with global economy. So the way I said, suppose national economy is Indian economy, okay, and global economy, suppose the other country's economy. So we don't have petroleum, so I told you that we take petroleum from the other country. So that way national economy is automatically interlinked with the global economy, because some way or the other we are interlinked for our economical process. Okay. Number two, privatization and liberalization. These are the two of the wheels of globalization. Okay, actually globalization goes with triangle process: globalization, privatization and liberalization. So privatization means when different private companies, they set up their multinational branches in other countries, and the two countries, they come together and jointly they take up the economic process. And liberalization means restriction. The restriction is put in a off zone. Actually, off zone. It was removed from the from this country to another country. When they take up their goods from one country to another country, so that time this restriction is being removed or put in a very limited restriction process. Okay, licensing system is also a bit removed. So that type of thing is called liberalization. Means economy is liberalized. Okay, so these are the two wheels of globalization. Okay, next one is creation of global village. So I told you today we live in a global village. The whole process is that we are in a big village, and the whole village is called a global village, and we are interlinked with that villages, different villages. Okay, next one is information and technological revolution. Globalization has a very strong connection with information and this technological revolution, because this technology is also one of the via which brought out the process of globalization. Because today because of internet system, because of a satellite system, all this whatever going on other country, whatever is happening in the other country, these things are automatically linked with the other country. The information already comes within a second. The information comes to the other country because of via system of the internet system and different types of processes. Okay, so technological information is a very innovative idea that brought out the process of ग्लोबलाइजेशन. ओके, आज कुछ भी अगर दुनिया में होता है तो हमें एक सेकंड में पता चल जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास नेटवर्किंग सिस्टम है. या फिर हमें अगर कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए नेट से निकालना, हम विदिन ए सेकंड हम वो इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाल लेते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास नेट सिस्टम है. सो दिस नेट सिस्टम इज ए प्रोसेस, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग एलिमेंट है जो हमें जोड़ता है डिफरेंट कंट्री के साथ. ओके, सो इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. Next one, role of IMF, WTO and MNC. This is International Monetary Fund, that is World Bank. World Bank, because today no country can be in a very uneasy process of financial problem. Because today कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होगा अगर किसी कंट्री को, तो they can take loan from IMF. Even IMF comes in the help of the other country in a process of relief taking, this reconstruction process. ये सब में IMF help करता है. Okay, so this International Monetary Fund is created after the Second World War to help the countries for financial process. ठीक है. WTO already we have done. WTO, World Trade Organization. So this is a type of one organization created by the whole world, and in this organization they set up some rules and regulations for the trade business. This also linked the other countries with the other countries. Okay, एक कंट्री के साथ दूसरे कंट्री को जोड़ता है वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट, MNC, मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन या फिर मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज. दिस मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन इज बीइंग सेट अप इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. टुडे the least developed countries, they don't have finance, they don't have skilled labor, technical personnel. So they invite the multinational companies to come to their country and to set up the multinational companies. So today various countries, they invite other country to come for multinational companies. So every country has now a process of multinational companies. Okay, so these three are the wings. We can say these three are the wings which has given a boost for the process of globalization. Okay, so these are some of the characteristics of globalization, and the globalization is a very easy process because whenever we say we are interlinked with the other countries of the world, this means globalization. Okay, for anything, for any area, cultural हो, social हो, अगर हम लोग एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में पढ़ाई के लिए जाते हैं, दिस इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. अगर हम एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री के साथ इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, दिस इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. इफ हम एक कंट्री को दूसरे कंट्री से हम लोग ट्रेड बिजनेस करते हैं, दिस इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. या फिर कुछ पॉलिटिकल समिट कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं, दिस इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. अगर फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप रखते हैं दूसरे कंट्री के साथ, दिस इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. तो ऑल थिंग्स इंटरलिंक्ड विथ वन कंट्री अदर कंट्री, दिस इज globalization. Okay, so this is just the introduction that I have given today, and next we are going to take up other area. Okay, thank you students.